Don't say this one thing ever in front of a listing agent when seeing a house, especially if it's a home that you intend to make an offer on. This is buyer etiquette 101. Don't talk about how much work the home needs or what you're going to do to the house, like for instance, you're going to completely gut it or renovate it. Because trust me, the listing agent will tell all of this to the sellers and it could hurt your chances of getting that house. So let me tell you a story. I once had this cash buyer checking out my listing, and they made a big mistake by doing this. They went on and on about all the changes they wanted to make to the house and how the home needs this and that. And of course, I conveyed all this information to my sellers. This cash buyer ended up making an offer, and they were competing with another offer that was a little lower and that was getting a loan. And guess what? My sellers actually end up going with the lower offer. Crazy, right? So why did this happen? First, the seller didn't appreciate someone that talked badly about the house that they lived in. And second, this is an important one, they felt that the cash buyer was more risky, meaning they were worried that the buyer might back out during escrow or potentially play hardball after inspection to get the price down. So my advice to you is if there are things that you don't like about a home, talk about it in a private setting with your agent, not inside the property. Share this tip with your friends and family and follow for more real estate tips.